In today's video, we'll learn how to make these beautiful swords. Hiya! Mari, where is my puppet? You stole it, didn't you? I was just playing with it and poof, it was gone.
I'm not giving it back to you.
Fine, we'll fight for it then. If I win, I get it back. And if I don't win, well, then you get it.
Yes! Deal! 3, 2, 1,
Wait!
fight up!
Guys, stop! Why are you fighting about such little things? That's
Yuck.
not good.
It's not good to fight just about a little puppet. No, Tom. I will not stop.
We must fight. She stole my puppet and she's not going to give it back unless I win this fight. And I need to. 3, 2, 1, fight!
He, ha, ouch!
Ha, ha.
3, 2, 1, fight!
Like my beautiful sword? Then be sure to check out the craft that is coming up now. know what a poppet is? If you don't, and if even you do, make sure to check out Factilicious Crafts' poppet video.